I never did like a dread journey. I got some on there, but I always wanted to show my dreads off. And I always wanted to tell people how to get their dreads. You see that? You see that? It's like, if you look at my dreads, it's like I freeform, honestly. Look at them. You can't even see the root. You can see some root right there, but you can tell, like, you see how they together, you see it? I don't know if you can see that. But yeah, I don't know. Yep. So basically what I do to get that afro, well, basically, let me show you first. The whole time I'm growing dreads, I've been just trying to get the Bob Marley look. You see it? Bob Marley look, afro, dreads, you feel me? See it? So you got the afro, it's how it's big, volume. You get volume and stuff. All right, so I'm gonna show y'all what I did. Basically, I put my hair like this. You put your hair up like this. You put it like that. You see my fro? You see it, right? It's probably not that even, but I'm still working on it. But yeah, you put your hair up, boom. You want to put it on the top of your head. Put it on the top of your head. You take your rubber band or whatever you're using. I think I messed up. Okay, you take your rubber band, boom. And yeah, you just sit your bun on top of your head. It's just your hair, just like a pet or a child, animal, whatever. You training your hair. You feel me? If you always wear your hair up, your hair's gonna grow up. But if it's always down, it's gonna weigh down. It's gonna, your roots gonna fall. You feel me? That's why, afro. Now, if you go, whenever you sleep, it's mandatory. It is mandatory. If you're trying to make your dreads thick and thick, strong, and give it that nice black look, you always have to wear this every night before you go to sleep. Every night. This is like your promise ring. This is like your wedding ring. If you don't get into bed with this, you're not married to your locks. Y'all ain't married. You need this. This is important. That's important. That's very important. So what you want to do, wash your hair first, bam, bam, bam. Put it up just like this on your ponytail. Put it up, But don't pull it. You don't want to pull it too tight because you want to fro it. You don't want to pull it back, and it's not gonna have that thick, So when it falls, you see it? Afro still intact. Free formed a little bit. Let me show you the back. Let me see. Yeah, it's me. It's all me, y'all. It's all me. See? I got some little ones back here, but yeah. If y'all go back to my further videos, you'll see how I first started my dreads. Skinny, bitty, itty bitty. I'm from Miami, so I had to thicken them up. I had to. It was only right. You feel me? So yeah, man, if y'all want to get thick locks, man, just reach out to me. If you want to make your locks thicker, definitely at the root. The whole thing about this, when you have your roots not getting done like that, you have to put something on your head. It is essential. It's mandatory. Because at the end of the day, if you having your roots out and you sleeping and moving around, you're killing your roots. You're damaging your roots. They're getting weaker and all. They're getting tired. That's why you look at some people's head, it'll go from thick and then it'll be a small little scrunchy little string and then it's back thick. Cause they didn't take care of their hair. It's that easy. See? I got some length on me. Let me see. So I got an afro. So I'm gonna pull my longest one. My longest one starts right here. The longest one starts right here. My afro, because I have an afro, so I'm gonna start right there. Now I'm gonna show you something. That's in my butthole. Okay? That's going dead in my butthole. It only look so short because the afro. I love the afro, man. You cannot get rid of it, man. But look, if y'all want some more tips on how to get your hair thick, how to maintain it, just hit me up. I know y'all see this over here. This look crazy. I didn't do this, man. Somebody did this to me. Somebody, when I was getting my hair done over, they didn't put the dread back together right. You see it? You see it's still a little twist right there. Then you see the end. Yeah, they didn't put my dread back together right, but it's all good. I maintain my own hair. I do my own hair. I haven't had to retwist for going on at least a year now. I usually wash twice, 2-3 times a month, but I haven't washed my hair for at least 3 months. I say at least 3 months. I haven't did a wash, man. But if y'all need any tips and tricks, man, just hit me up, man. Rab Luciano, that's my YouTube. I won't mind doing this on a more daily basis. I'll definitely have fun, and I would definitely enjoy it talking to y'all. And I'm fans, and I'm a watchers, I'm a viewers. I appreciate y'all. Y'all the real ones. Like, comment, subscribe, and tell me what I should do next. It's your boy Rab, y'all.